Today I'm going to show you how to put any image onto a box in Adobe Photoshop. First go to Select and Subject. Press Ctrl J to cut the box from its background. Let's name it Box. Go to File, Place Embedded, and place your second image. Now open your rectangular marquee tool from the toolbar and select All Design. Go to Edit and choose Copy. Now delete this pattern or top layer. Go to Select and deselect to remove selections. Create a new layer. Double-click on this and rename it Pattern. Go to Filter and choose the vanishing point. Open your plane tool. Then create a grid that matches box's perspective. You can also drag these grid points and match them properly to your box. Open your plane tool or press C on the keyboard and create a grid that matches this side of the box. Press C on the keyboard again and make another grid for this front. Now press Ctrl V to paste the design you copied earlier and press Ctrl T to free transform. Now you can scale and drag the design layer into position. And all you need to do is scale the design by dragging on the handles. To duplicate the design layer, hold the Alt key on the keyboard and drag the design to the front of the box. Then scale the design by dragging on the handles. Hold the Alt key again to make another copy of the design. And then just repeat the same process for the other side. Press Enter on your keyboard. Go to Layer and create Clipping Mask. And change the blending mode of this layer from normal to multiply. Click the FX icon and choose the blending options. Hold the Alt key to split the white slider and drag it to the left. Then press OK. And that's it for today. Thanks for watching.